All right, hey, real quick video this time. So after I dropped the front forks, dropped them an inch, as you can see here, I went riding at night, and I'm like, yo, my headlights, they're like pointing like maybe 10-15 feet in front of me. So I'm like, man, that's not good. So this video right here, I'm gonna show you guys how to adjust the headlights. I checked online and stuff, and they were saying something about take off the intake cover and all of that, but that's not correct. Because if you guys could see right here, this knob, it has one on this side and it has one on the other side. That's all it is. I don't know if you guys could see the marking on there, but it says, okay, so what it says on there is if you twist it counterclockwise, that's down, clockwise is up. And I'll show you on the next side too. Here you guys could see the little arrow. Same thing, clock to the right or clockwise brings the headlight assembly up, counterclockwise bring it down, and that's it. So I know they're talking about find a wall and put it 25 foot. I mean, that's all fine, but my thing is just find level ground at nighttime and just see how far your beams go in front of you. And I would just raise it and try to project the beams out as far as it can while with the best light. So the further you put the light out, I mean, the more you're going to be able to see at night to help increase your stopping distance. So that's what I would say. But just a quick video. All right, hope this helps someone out.